Hi everyone, my name is Shauna Arnaud and I will be your teacher for this winter quarter. We are in winter 2022 and this is a hybrid class, but because of COVID, the first week will be online only. I can't wait to meet you. Please call me Shauna, that's my first name. I am from Canada. I married an American. My husband's name is Tim. This is my family. This is my husband, Tim. This is me. This is our son, Zach. Zach is 14 years old. He is in the 8th grade. And this is our dog. Her name is Lexi. She is 8 years old. So, yep, we have one son and one dog. We also have one cat. His name is Socrates. We call him Socky. My birthday is April 13th, and we live in Everett. We live close to Mukilteo. After this video, you will see another page in Canvas, and the page will be called Discussions. Okay, so I want you to click on that page and now tell the class about you. Please introduce yourself on that Canvas page. Thanks, everybody.